Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Kucoin. So after heading to Kucoin website, make sure that you are logged into your Kucoin account. So after logging in, you are going to get an interface like this. From here, hover over trade, and then you can click on spot trading. So the spot trading window has been loaded. So after you head to the trading page, you have to type down your trading password. So after typing down your trading password, your trading will be unlocked. And then you need to select what cryptocurrency you're trading. So BTC/USDT means we are buying or selling Bitcoin with USDT. After selecting BTC/USDT, you can go to the buy or sell option. But make sure that you are selecting market right over here. Otherwise, your orders will not be filled instantly because limit order is a bit complex. And now if you want to convert your Bitcoin to USDT, you can just simply go to sell option right over here. Then you can enter the amount of how much BTC you want to sell, or you can simply click on 100% to select all of your BTC and then click on sell BTC. And then you will be able to sell your Bitcoin for USDT. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.